Well, I have to say that this is one of those trips you never forget in your life. Welcome to Malaga. Mina, Steve and I arrived in this beautiful city in the Costa del Sol. We booked our accommodations at Holidays2Malaga and everything was super easy and very fast. The apartments were awesome and located right in the center of the city. We took a shower and went to have the typical churros for breakfast in a century-old cafe. We walked to the Terrasanas market where the best fish in the Mediterranean is sold, and we crossed the famous Tavern El Pimpi where famous people have signed their barrels. Then we went up to the Alcazaba, a beautiful and mysterious palace dating back to the Islamic times. After we took a walk to the beach to have lunch by the sea, the famous espetos of sardinas and the best fried fish I have ever tasted in my life. Some cocktails after lunch, and we are ready for a beautiful tour of the museums that have made Malaga the capital of the culture in southern Spain. A walk around Pier 1 at sunset is a real blast, and then end up having a drink on the rooftop of a beautiful hotel overlooking the sea. We took a shower and went out to dinner and to live the Malaga nightlife with intensity. Some delicious tapas in the center to finish dancing until dawn in a club. Oops, from there to the apartment and finally to bed to rest. The next day we did some cycling along the coast and booked again with Holidays2Malaga, a fantastic villa with a pool to relax. Where are you going so brave, Steve? Booking with this company is a total guarantee that your stay will be a wonderful one. Finally, we had an incredible lunch to say goodbye to this unforgettable trip. But not before taking with me the greatest souvenir. A very handsome guy from Malaga that I met the night before and that comes with me to my country. Oh, excuse me, because this is another story that maybe I will tell you another time. Holidays2Malaga. Let yourself fall in love with this city.